Hi, it's Yasin Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Xbox Game Pass games from your phone. The first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store. It probably works on the App Store as well, but I'm doing it for the Play Store, and then just select Xbox Game Pass 1. My one looks slightly different because I've logged in anyway, but all you will need to do is log in, and then on your Xbox console you need to enable the remote features. Once you've done that, it's there, and then you can see it's download the game. So that's how to do it. Next one, I will just the next thing you need to do is open up your Game Pass on thing, enable what I showed you what to do. There's stuff like this. Then just find the game that you want to do. So I'm just going to search for a racing game for the purpose of this video. I'm just going to do a racing game, just racing something, racing. Okay, hot shot racing, I don't know what that is, but let's just click that one and click on install, and then say that's it, install the console to this one. Go attempting to queue your install. Then waiting for console, so let's see what happens next. That's it. That's how fast it's installed. So I'm gonna pause it and then show you on the screen that it's done on my actual console. Sorry, it's a bit kind of line shaky, but you can see the one I just hot shot one is the second one down. If I select it, you can see it already installed. There you go. So that was get the Game Pass app, and I did it, and the game was downloaded within 20 seconds from. Because if you do it, sometimes your internet's slow. You try to do it directly from your console. It's kind of, it takes ages, but mine took less than a minute for it to download it. It was so fast, so easy to do. So yeah, I would advise you to do that. So hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thanks very much for watching. I post new videos every Wednesday. Post new videos. I post new videos each week.